Okay, now we're going to do our stay stitching. Stay stitching is to keep an area of your garment from stretching out of shape as you're stitching and working with it. So we're going to pretend like this is the curved edge of, say, an armhole or a neckline that could easily start to stretch out of shape. And what the stay stitching is just putting a row of stitching about a ½ inch in from the edge, and typically what you're going to do is you're going to start in the center and go out one direction, and then start in the center and go back out the other way. And we don't have to back stitch or anything. So I'm going to start it in the middle, and your pattern will typically show you what direction you want to go. I'm going to put my needle down in. Okay, remember this is a curve, so we're going to stop and pivot occasionally. So I'm going to go ahead and stitch a few stitches. Because this is a curve, I'm going to lift my presser foot up, gently guide my fabric so that I can stay the same distance from the edge. Continue stitching across to the end. Stop with my needle up, lift up, go ahead and trim that. And then I'm going to come back to my starting point, and this time I have to flip my fabric over so that I can start right next to where I started my original stitch. Okay, and again I am in the curved part, so I'm just taking a few stitches, lifting my presser foot, moving my fabric, a couple more stitches. Okay, stopping with the needle down, always lifting, pivoting, a few more stitches. Want to stop with my needle down, lift, and continue to my edge. And go ahead and trim, and I'm going to go ahead and trim the other threads from both sides. And now you can see that is our stay stitching, and it keeps it from being able to pull and stretch out of shape. We went in the two directions so we didn't accidentally stretch it as we stitched in one direction. And that's what it looks like.